Sometimes you need to take a break to escape, to kick back and have a steak. I'm chillin' like a villain as I'm grilling. We keep it reelin'. We still willing to cook these hots and hams on the task cam scram. Cause I'm chillin' with my fam. No charcoal, I'm cooking with leña. Call me gente, don't try to pretend ya don't want beans and rice with this corn salad. It's nice, it's really valid. Coolin' in the shade, we got it made. Fish fillet, we sippin' lemonade. This ain't fake, we got cakes and pies. We pickin' fried chicken, legs and thighs. We greasing and for a good reason. It's pleasing to celebrate the season. I'm just kicking back and relaxing. The weather's perfect, the sun ain't taxing. After this, I'ma grab a slice of cake. Take a break and then slip into the lake. The water's warm, just like a sauna, no drama. I don't care if they got piranha. I'ma stay in this water for a hot minute. That's the reason I got in it. Folks walking around with a plate full. Nobody frowning, nobody hateful. Some folks laying in the sun with a book out. Next time, I bet you look out for the cookout. Little kids playing on the swings. Wait, are those chicken wings? I gotta get another plate before it's too late. Folks bringing more food to the cookout. I didn't have to bring all the stuff that I took out. It's all good cause sharing is caring. We even share food with a Karen. She shared a plate with her moms and pops. Then she still got up and called the cops. It's okay because we got a lot of donuts. When they get here, they're gonna straight donuts. It's great that they make me straight swimming. Guards check them before you let them in. Don't be uptight and always stressing. Just get your head right and count your blessings. Don't be uptight and always stressing. Just get your head right and count your blessings. Don't be uptight and always stressing. Just get your head right and count your blessings. Yes.